So, it's really new. That means be warned.
I'll drop you to your knees when I aim to please. We are bright sights, yes we are bold lights, still we are inside tiny shadows, tucking in our toes. Hungry hippos growling on the inside, shiny piles of rubbish on the outside.